Malawi today.
Tikulandireni kwina kulikonse kumene muli pa Malawi lero. Monga mukudziwa kuti kunali mwambo okumbukira kuti patha chaka pamene malemu Lucius Banda adatisiya. Nde kunali mwambo wa Misa kumwe kubalaka. Kumeneko anakumbukiranso anthu onse amene anataya miyoyo yawo pa 10 June. Amenewa ndi Asalo Silima, Ashanil Muluzi ndi anthu ena 8 kumeneko. Nde apa ndi mwana wa Lucius Banda Mapiri amene kuyankhulira ngati banja. Iyeyo analongosola zambiri ndithu, ndipo anthu ayamikira kuti iyayi mwana wa mkango ndi mkango omwe. Chifukwa iyeyo tifuna tiyankhule zimene iyeyo adayankhula makamaka chifukwa choti anayankhula uthengawu mu Chizungu. Ndipo izi ndi zomwe iyeyo adanena. Amanena kuti Lucius Banda anali munthu wodziwa kucheza ndi anthu, ndipo anapanga maubwenzi osiyanasiyana m'dziko lino lapansi, chifukwa kulikonse kumene angapite amapeza azinzake atsopano. Ndipo chimenechi chapangisa kuti anthu amusowe komanso dziko lapansi limusowe. Ndipo akuti anthu amene ali anzawo enieni adaoneka mu nthawi imene anthuwa amalira. Ndipo imene ndi imene imaonesa anzako enieni nyengo imeneyi. Komanso anzako onamizira amathawa. Ndipo iwo adaona anzawo ena amene andali anzawo mu nthawi imene bambo awo adali moyo akuzimirira ndithu. Choncho ananena kuti iyayi nyengo imeneyi yawaphunzitsa zinthu zosiyanasiyana. Nde mmenemu adayankhula zambiri, ndipo adanena kuti bambo awo awasowa. Nde kwa amene timamvako kachizungu pang'ono, tateni tionere speech yonse kuti inaenda bwanji.
And this is the time that you get to see someone very clearly who they are. When my father passed, I, not only myself, my brothers, my sisters, and my mother as well, lost friends, not because they died, but because they were there, let's say for the money, for the fame. They were just there, just for just. And as I said last time when I had a mass, Lucius Banda isn't dead. In my eyes I see him, he's just taking a nap. He's still alive and he lives in my heart, he lives in my mother's heart, he lives in Jonah's heart, in Laura's heart, in Ben's heart, in Jeremy's heart. Pevan ndiye mkwabu kachizungwezi. Okay. Lucius Banda, you can say, died at the age of 53. He left children and a loving wife, who I call my mother. I would firstly like to thank the Lord Almighty for showing us the day today, because without Him, most of us wouldn't have seen the sun today. Secondly, I want to thank the priests right in front of us for being with us and blessing us today. I'd like to thank the President of the Republic of Malawi for assisting us throughout the way ever since he was sick, and until now he's still helping us. I'd like to thank Honorable Kabambe for coming here and also helping us, assisting us in any way possible. Same with Honorable Kambala. And all of you here for being with us here. My father went around, we can say around the world, and making new friends in almost every single place he went. Those friends became his brothers, and most of those brothers are the ones that are here now. And most of those brothers are the ones who held our hands when he left. I'd like to also thank those brothers because they showed their actual true colors. Because if there were other people, they would have said that's the problem. But they were his true friends, because I remember a friend of mine from school told me that in the time of grief is the time that you know your true friends. And this is the time that you get to see someone very clearly who they are. When my father passed, I, not only myself, my brothers, my sisters, and my mother as well, lost friends, not because they died, but because they were there, let's say, for the money, for the fame. They were just there, just for just. And as I said last time when I had a mass, Lucius Banda isn't dead. In my eyes, I see him, he's just taking a nap. He's still alive and he lives in my heart. He lives in my mother's heart. He lives in Jonah's heart, in Laura's heart, in Ben's heart, in Jeremiah's heart, and in Maria's heart. He lives in every single one of you here. Because if he wasn't alive, it would be only me and my family here. But he's alive in all of us. That's why you're all here. Dear Dad, this is the boom talking. We miss you, man. And it's very hard. 6 days ago marked a year ever since you went into the grave. And I never exactly imagined myself to be saying a speech in front of the president because of your funeral. If anything, I wanted to say such a speech, not because you have passed, but maybe because I've become successful. It hurts just every day to be walking in the house, sitting in the living room, and we don't hear you coming out shouting, "Maps!" It hurts, yeah. We miss you racing from Banda to seeing if you can beat the Google Maps. We miss having those rides in the Hummer there. We miss you in general. Not only do I miss you, but Malawi misses you. Mom misses you, Jerry does. Maria does, and Ben, and Johnny, and Laura too. Please keep us a support up there. Thank you.